Renewals. Watch out for using terms like renewal, extension, things along those lines. If you're using those terms in your financial institution, that's just a possibility for confusion. Speaking in terms of refinance, because those you know exactly what a refinance is, you know what the triggers are, and then a modification that helps keep things clean and clear. So just be careful if you're using the term, renewal. The question becomes, well, yeah, it's a renewal, but is it a refinance where you're tearing it up, your original agreement out and replacing with something else? Or is it just a modification? And if it's a modification, what exactly are you doing? So just keep in mind that using those terms just causes confusion. My recommendation is to call it either a refinance or a modification, and then you're clear from a regulatory perspective, what the concerns are.